Welcome to Fireproof Cooking. This is my first video that I'm giving voiceover. Generally, I give subtitles to my videos, but this time I want it to be lively, so I'm giving a voiceover. Today, let's look into making of Masala Vada. Come, let's see how to make Masala Vada. For that, you can use Vada Paruppu, which we call in Tamil. You can buy this Vada Paruppu in supermarket or retail shops. If you can't find one, then you can use Chana dal. Soak this dal in water for about 2 hours. Yes, you can see the dal has soaked well. Now drain the excess water using a filter. If you want the water to be crispy, then drain the water completely. Let's look into other ingredients. We need small onions, ginger, red chilli, fennel seeds, coriander leaves and curry leaves. I would like to give instructions for using ginger for this masala vada. For this 1 cup I've taken 2 inches of ginger. We are going to dry grind few ingredients. Now take red chilies, fennel seeds and ginger. This much ginger is necessary since it avoids bloating. Dry grind these 3 ingredients. Now open the jar and add curry leaves and coriander leaves also and dry grind them. You can also give few pulses for dry grinding. Yes, you have dry grinded. Now transfer it into a plate. Next we are going to dry grind the dal. Give 1 or 2 pulses and make sure it is coarse. Now transfer into a bowl. Now combine all the dry ingredients and mix it together. Add chopped small onions. You can also use chopped big onions. Add required amount of salt and mix it together. Take few mixture and make it into a ball. Take the balls and flatten them with the help of your palm like a patty and deep fry them in oil. Make sure the oil is hot in the beginning and then put it in low medium flame so that the vadas are cooked well. Be careful while frying these vadas. You can observe that the patties gets into the bottom of the pan, and once it's cooked it comes to the surface of the pan. Flip on both sides so that it's cooked evenly. Wait till the vadas are cooked well. You can see that the vadas turns into golden brown color. Wow, the vadas has cooked well. Now remove them from the pan. Wait till the oil is completely drained off. Now transfer into a plate and serve them hot with evening tea. Masala vadas are all-time favorite snack. You can serve them with hot chutney or coconut chutney. These vadas are really crispy and yummy too. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and let me know your comments. Thanks for watching.